going to be unboxing some wrestlers. So let's start off with the Kane and Edge. So it comes with a Ric Flair and the Andre the Giant. And the other thing says the Fiend Bray Wyatt versus Daniel Bryan. So let's get into this unboxing video. You can already see by the title it looks amazing. Edge, Kane. Okay. This is old Kane without the mask. I also have an Undertaker. So now I got the Brothers of Destruction. I have a Finn Balor, but I wanted another one because I like Finn Balor. So open them. But I clicked on the video button. No. You can tell the graphics of this wrestler is looking good. Here's the Edge figure, the Kane figure, and the one everyone loves, The Rock. Boom, baby. And last and certainly not least, Buddy Murphy, except he has his entrance thing. So I do have a Seth Rollins, so I will do the Monday Night Messiah. I will have them be the Monday Night Messiah, but I will end up getting the Ray and Dominic thing. I'm gonna take that out soon. I'm gonna take the Buddy Murphy out, but not the wrestlers. Clothes. But here is the Buddy Murphy. Let me post this on YouTube real quick. So I had to record this on camera. So guys, peace.